Hello everyone, Astrochemistry here. So, if you have watched our video from yesterday, then you know that we have announced, or I have announced, the end of Astrochemistry here on YouTube. First of all, I want to thank everyone who has commented or gave a thumbs up for the video for your support. Thank you very much. That is very nice, and yes, it shows that the community is there if there are really some major problems, so thanks again for that one. So basically, a lot of comments from you guys are very true, so I got to think about how we could solve this problem. So basically, my decision is still valid and still firm, so I will not return to YouTube. I will not post videos on YouTube anymore, at least not chemistry videos, you know. So that's still valid. But on the other hand, it would make sense to continue this channel on another platform. So maybe you have already heard that ChemPlayer moved to BitChute. That's an alternative website where you can post videos. It works kind of similarly than YouTube. So now the conclusion to which I came is the following. In the last hours, I recreated the channel on BitChute, so the Astrochemistry channel. I uploaded a few videos to there, and really it's just to test out the following. So I would ask you guys to go over there to BitChute and show some support. So basically you could leave a comment on the video, say hi, or subscribe to the channel so that I can see if there's interest in continuing this channel just on another platform. So because I know, of course we all know that the community on YouTube is very large, and on BitChute it is very small, at least the chemistry community. So I would be willing to continue this channel if I can see that enough people would come to BitChute actually to watch the videos. So that would be, the solution that I have come up with. Also, someone suggested that I could post small teaser videos on YouTube, and then you would have the link in the description to come to BitChute to watch the entire video. Of course, that's also another possibility, but let's see. So again, just come over to BitChute, leave a comment, give a video a thumbs up, or subscribe so that I can see how big the interest is in keeping this channel going. So if this should work out on BitChute, then a few things would change. So first of all, as you might have noticed also in the video from yesterday, the robot voice is gone. So basically, if this channel should continue, then I would narrate my videos myself. So what would that mean? So hopefully it would be better to understand, because the robot voice, of course, was a pain in the butt to understand, even for me sometimes, even if I knew the text, or I knew the text that the voice was supposed to say. Also, that means that I can do more in-depth explanations of what's actually going on, because with the robot voice, of course, I had to type all the text down manually and then feed it to the text-to-speech app so that it could be converted into actual speech. So I would narrate my videos myself, either directly while performing the experiment or afterwards. So maybe you know DuxLab, so the style of my videos would approach more than from the videos from DuxLab, so that I make a small theory section, perhaps before the video, explain some things, explain the risks and so on. And then also during the experiment, I would explain a few things, why you do this in this special way and not in another way, for example. So that I think that would also increase maybe the quality of the video. So the teaching, the educational character would be enhanced. Then so if this would continue, I would have also new projects, or I should say old projects that I always wanted to do but never done because of YouTube. And I don't start ranting again, just if you haven't watched the video from yesterday, just do that, then you understand what I mean. So if this should work out in BitChute, we would focus more on chemistry that I'm actually interested in, that I'm into, so that would be phosgene chemistry in general, and also focusing on the methodology that Dr. Eckert has developed in recent years. This means safety phosgenations, or how to do a safe phosgenation in the laboratory. We would also focus on how phosgene is a versatile reagent in modern organic synthesis, and how this can be safely applied in the laboratory to achieve quite interesting changes or reactions to organic compounds or even inorganic compounds. So that would be like one major thing I would have planned if this should work out. And on the other hand, still the industrial chemistry side that has always been present in this channel, so that would mean like I would try, or I should say I'm currently working on the Pecheney-Eugene-Kuhlmann process. That's basically a process to manufacture hydrazine on an industrial scale, but with a good atom economy, because you would use hydrogen peroxide as the oxidizing agent, whereas you compare it to the classical Raschig process where you use sodium hypochlorite, and of course you get a lot of salt as waste. And in the Pecheney-Eugene-Kuhlmann process, you just use hydrogen peroxide and water is your waste. So I am currently working on that one to get that running. So the process involves acetamide and disodium hydrogen phosphate as a catalyst, and there are some parameters which have to be set correctly in order for this reaction to work. So again, that was just like a small preview what I would make, what kind of content this channel would have if we all together decide that we would continue this on BitChute. So again, I leave the link in the description, so if you want this channel to continue, then probably it's a good idea that you come over there, leave a comment, subscribe and so on, just that I can see that it would be worth to continue this channel on the alternative platform. So I guess that's everything I had to say for today, and then hopefully see you soon on BitChute.